City leaders came together today to address the increase in gun violence across the city on National Gun Violence Awareness Day. Our Mary Frances Hoots was there and joins us live right now from City Hall. Mary Frances.
Well, Cindy, this is a day to honor those who have been impacted by gun violence in Chattanooga and across the United States. So this day is observed on the first Friday of June every year and then the weekend following. And to shed light on the issue, people are asked to wear orange all weekend long.
Children are picking up guns and making the choice to threaten the lives of their friends and our neighbors and their classmates. Is what we're doing working?
Chattanooga Mayor Tim Kelly says no. So much so, he's calling gun violence in the city a public health crisis. In 2020, Reverend Turnay Jordan said more than 40,000 people died from gun violence in America, and that it was the highest rate of gun deaths in 2 decades. Recently, youth in Chattanooga have been heavily involved. Just this past week, a 13-year-old was charged with attempted criminal homicide. In a separate shooting, a 2-year-old was caught in the crossfire.
We have to come together as a community. We have to sit down with the parents of the younger teenagers and address what can be done.
Mona Moss's son was shot and killed in 2013 while celebrating his best friend's birthday. She's part of a group called Moms Demand Action for Gun Sense in America. Moss says groups like this help spread awareness of the impact people feel from gun violence every day and wants to see the issue addressed in the home and by the community, so another mother doesn't have to go through what she did 8 years ago.
My heart just breaks because I know the feeling how to get that phone call.
Assistant Chattanooga Police Chief Glenn Scruggs wants to get guns out of the hands of young people and give them other opportunities.
I don't know if you can reach them directly, right? But you reach their parents, you reach the people that care for them, people that care about them. You encourage them to take responsibility for their young people's actions.
Chattanooga Mayor Tim Kelly says he's committed to giving the city the resources they need to fight this crisis. Again, he called it a public health crisis. He said you can see those resources reflected in the next budget. Also, the Chattanooga Police Department said they're adding 5 members to their gun team next month. Live in Chattanooga, Mary Frances Hoots, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.